Welcome to online class KPV School and College. I hope you are keeping fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today I am going to discuss about suffix and prefix. Let's know what is suffix and what is prefix. Suffix is a letter or group of letters added at the end of word to make another word. For example, ISH in the word bookish is a suffix. ISH has been added to the word book to make a new word bookish. Here ISH has been added to the word book to make a new word bookish. That means here ISH is a suffix. Now let's know what is prefix. Prefix is a letter or group of letters added to the front of a word to make a new word and also to change its meaning. For example, un in the word unhappy is a prefix. By adding un, the meaning of the word has been changed. Here un is a prefix. Un has been added to the word happy and the meaning of the word has been changed. Now I will show you how the question will be set in the exam. Here is a continuous passage. Some words that are marked red are inappropriate according to the context of the passage. Students will add suffix or prefix to them and will change the meaning of the words. Students will not write the whole passage in the answer script. That means students need not write the whole passage in the answer script. They will only write the correct answers serially in the answer script. Now let's read the passage and know what will be the correct answers in the gap. The true aim of education is the harmonious development. That means the answer will be development of the body, mind and soul. But here the word is book, but the word is inappropriate according to the context of the passage, so the answer will be bookish. But bookish knowledge is insufficient. The answer will be insufficient in this regard. Without, here the word is co-curricular, but the answer will be, here the word is curricular, but the answer will be co-curricular. Without co-curricular activities, the full blooming of body, mind and soul is impossible. The answer will be impossible. Co-curricular activities include debate, publication of magazine, cultural activities. The answer will be cultural. Co-curricular activities are part and parcel for the full flourishment of the talents of the students. They also teach the students modesty. The answer will be modesty, diligence, politeness, etc. They also, here the word is tight, but the answer will be tighten, the bondage of friendship among the students. Now let's see the answer again. Some words here are missing. Now we will have the answer. The true aim of education is the harmonious development of body, mind and soul, but bookish knowledge is insufficient in this regard. Without co-curricular activities, the full blooming of body, mind and soul is impossible. Co-curricular activities include debate, publication of magazine, cultural activities. Co-curricular activities are part and parcel for the full flourishment of the students, of the talents of the students. They also teach the students modesty, diligence, politeness, etc. They also tighten the bondage of friendship among the students. Dear students, if you want to be proficient in suffix and prefix, you have to understand the context of the passage, and at the same time you can go through some rules. Now I am going to discuss some rules on suffix and prefix. I hope if you practice the rules and try to understand the meaning of the passage, that means context of the passage, you can easily answer the question. Verbs that end with ESS can be turned into noun by adding ION suffix to it. Here are some words. Take a look at the words. All the words end with ESS. That means we can turn them into noun by adding ION to them. Aggress will be aggression. Confess will be confession. Discuss, discussion. Express, expression. Oppress, oppression. Possess, possession. Process, procession. Compress, compression. Depress, depression. Impress, impression. Profess, profession. Repress, repression. Suppress, suppression. Progress, progression. Actually all the words here end with ESS, so we have turned them into noun by adding ION to them. Take a look at the words again. Verbs that end with DE can be turned into noun by adding SION suffix to it. Here are some words. Take a look at the words. All the words end with DE. That means we can turn them into noun by adding SION to them in place of de. Conclude will be conclusion, divide will be division, invade will be invasion, protrude will be protrusion, provide will be provision, collide collision, include inclusion, intrude intrusion, obtrude obtrusion, pervade pervasion. By adding SION, we can turn a verb that ends with de into noun. Take a look at the words again: conclude, conclusion, divide, division, invade, invasion, protrude, protrusion, provide, provision, collide, collision, include, inclusion, intrude, intrusion, obtrude, obtrusion, pervade, pervasion. Dear students, you have to keep it in mind that you have to have a clear idea about the context of the passage, because depending on context of the passage you have to add suffix or prefix to the word. I hope you will be benefited by the classes taken online. In the next class, I will discuss some rules on suffix and prefix. I hope you will enjoy the class. Keep on practicing. You will be perfect. Thank you.